What's up everybody, it's Mine and Now, and coming at you with another video. And we're gonna start another video, a new game. We're gonna start Skyrim actually. I got the Legendary Edition, guys. So, I was happy about that I got the Legendary Edition, and I really liked how it was very cool. So, I'm just gonna be doing lots of things with it. I know I am going to be making a new character, to make a character, and I'm just gonna do all that kind of stuff with this video. And this is my first time actually uploading a video and recording a video. I do say it's really good. I never actually recorded a video yet. I always been not doing stuff when I was wanting to. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, I hear horses. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful, I hear horses. So this is gonna be fun. There we go. I'll edit that part out when I was fixing it. Skyrim. Oh, wonderful Skyrim. Skyrim. Yeah, just go to Skyrim. Guys, I'm gonna end on high note, because I'm gonna actually stop the thing. Oh. What do you want, bitch? Shut up. No. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Damn you too, bitch. Damn you too. Fuck you too. Fuck you too, motherfucker. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, they want them. Oh, I didn't know. What? Where are my feet? Where the fuck are my feet? Where the hell are my feet? You have very nice feet. I want your feet. Oh. He said, fuck you, bitch. That's what's funny, so fuck you. Oh, Lawrence. Wow, I don't know where that place is. Fine. Go back to the damn sign. That fucker. Fuck all of you. Fuck all of you. Who the hell are those? Who the hell are Thalmor? Wait. Oh, hey! Hey, it's that guy. Visible. You're an ass. We're going up your ass. Ooh, hey, look at these people. Why do you think? End of the line. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm going to end on a high note. Do I die or do I live? Empire loves their And that'll be it.